Oh, greasy.
Now dirty, dirty. That was close. Like I always say, safety first. We're actually just going to do the 3 goose challenge.
Yeah. You want to use steaks?
Try them for sure.
Yeah. Man, this is a work in progress. No kidding. Like, this is taking a while.
This episode is brought to you by Goldfish, the snack that smiles back.
This is like the first week, right? You can hunt darks in the afternoon.
Yeah, the 15th we can start hunting darks in the afternoon, and this is our first kick at hunting darks in the afternoon.
So there's a bunch of honks in this field, some giant ones. So we're gonna give it a go here, see what happens. Winds, not too bad. It's a little warm out, but it's gonna dip down once the sun goes. So we're gonna give it a go here, see what happens. Nonetheless, it's gonna be fun. That's all I gotta say about that, I guess. Anything else to add there?
No, sir.
Cowboy?
I like hunting honkers in the afternoon.
Honkers in the afternoon. Here we go. Oh, I missed that one. Oh, good shot, good shot. Heads up. Thank you, you saved my life. Oh, I missed that last one. Yeah, big group of ducks on the right. Right here, right out front. No. Greasy. What's up, it's Mario from Final Approach. A big part of our success harvesting all the waterfowl species on the road is because of our great partner, Federal Ammunition. The variety of payloads, the shot sizes, the speeds we can adapt to changing weather conditions or different situations that maybe call for something different, like if we're shooting 20 gauge speed shock at mallards in the marsh or crows and pigeons in Europe, how about 3-inch black cloud at some big honkers in a cornfield? Or some TSS at some giant prehistoric sandhill cranes in the flatlands. Federal has an ammo to make your days in the field more successful. So all you got to do is check them out. Federalpremium.com. It's Federal Ammunition. Big line right behind them. Yeah, they're coming. Oh yeah. Mongols.
So the honker hunting up here is probably the best. Like you're in the north here, and the south they get the lessers, they get specks, but up here we got the big honks up here, and it's really good hunting. These birds, they haven't seen any spread, so when those things are coming in, they're doing it 10 yards. You're shooting them at 10 yards, and you just can't beat it. The number of honkers up here compared to anywhere else it's unbelievable up here. You got to experience it.
Mongols out front, coming in. Up. 23, 24. 2 in the hole. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Go up.